Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. I'm like so excited. Look what I got. You can't see that? Oh, let me pull them out for you. I got the Elf Halo Glow Beauty Wands, a few of them. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, I'm so excited. I'm all tongue-tied. Let's get going. Alrighty. Okay, yeah. I'm so excited. I do have my eye makeup on, eyebrows, blah, lip smack, and I will have everything linked below, girl. You know that. Let me just see what I got, girl. I have the light medium contour wand, but I will tell you, I think I bought the same one, right? Yeah, I thought I bought the medium, but I bought the light medium twice. So I'll give one to my daughter, because she really wanted to try it. So I have the contour. I know these are dupes for, like, listen, I kind of almost feel bad for Charlotte Tilbury because Elf is just like beating them down. Every time they come out with a product, they come out with a cheaper version. I don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is. But yeah, here I am reviewing it. But anyway, so so I picked up the contour in light medium. I picked up, God, do not tell me I picked up, oh, thank God, I'm thinking, did I get the same thing? I picked up two blushes, one in Berry Radiant, and normally I wouldn't go this dark, but I think this, at the time, this was the last, I was going to say last flavor. Girl, get your mind out of the ice creams. Okay, this was the last color, but then when I went back and everything was restocked, I got the Rosé You Slay, so I got that. And then for the highlighters, I got Champagne and I got the Rose Quartz. Let's just dive in. We're gonna go with the contour. Now, girl, I love, did I say love? I love the Milani contour wand. It is beautiful. I mean, look, Charlotte Tilbury is just as beautiful, blah, but why did I pay that much money? Her products are so damn expensive. And like, I know some of them, even though they have a lot of dupes, some of hers are still kind of my favorites. But boy, that Milani is fabulous. So let's check this out and see like where it fares out in between all that. Alrighty, so let's just open it up. It's got this, oh, the little tip is really tiny though. Cutie patootie. I get so friggin' nervous. I get so nervous when I do this. Okay, I barely touched it. Okay, let's just do it. So I'm going to just, ooh, that's a beautiful color. This is more cool than I thought. I'm going to just go right there. I'm going to go in with my dampened sponge and just go on in. Okay, that blended in like a half a second. That's pretty. That's pretty. I'm going to go a little bit more right over here. I will say, and it could be just me because my skin is, it's late today. I don't know where the heck my phone is. It's like 5:30, so it's late. When I do my videos, I like to do it right after my skin is prepped and moisturized. So obviously it's been quite a few hours, so it could be, but I will tell you, it blended beautifully on the forehead, right? And it did here too. That looks pretty. Let's continue. Leave me some comments below. How do you like to use your liquid cream products? I always love to use it with a dampened sponge. I'm just curious, do you guys use a brush? I don't know if I really like that idea. We can try it though. Okay, the forehead looks so good. You know, I get nervous under here, girl. You know what? Let's use the brush. I'm going to use the, you know what? I'm going to use the BK Beauty. This is the 106. This is my foundation brush that I love. So I'm going to just stipple that. I already have lip smack and stick on. Okay. And I think, Aruni, I'm going to go in with this Refer. This is the 17, just to pat this. And then I'll go back in with my fingers because I like to do, that's a lot of contouring on the nose, Aruni. Then I like to go back in and do it with my finger. I like to take it like all the way up to the brow Damn, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, that is gorgeous. Damn, that looks so good. All right, I like it. I don't know if I like it better than the Milani. I'm not gonna lie, that freaking Milani is, but that's okay. Let's go in with the blushes. So this is the Halo. Did I even tell you what the heck it is? This is the Elf Halo Glow Beauty Wand. Now let's see here. The glow in the blush is going to be tricky because I really don't like a shimmery blush. And then we're going to put highlight on top of that. I have no idea. Let's put one blush on each side, girl. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Do you guys have these, by the way? Leave me some comments below. Have you purchased them? And what do you guys think about them? So this one is in Berry Radiant. Should I swatch them for you? See, this is what I expected with the contour, but it came out so quick. So this is Berry Radiant. Okay, not what I expected. Wow, that's interesting. That's shimmery. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my blush brush and I'm going to take it right from here. I'm going to take it right from here. That is pigmented. Holy shish kabibble. I'm going to go on the right side, my right side. I heard that they dry down very quickly. Yeah, like we're done. I don't think I have anything on my face. That's how quick. Oh my God, I'm scared. Go quick on your marker, set, go. You could see like the dots where I put it. Let's try with the sponge. I don't think I like that. Let me try it on here again. So, oof, I'm putting it on my hand real quick. Okay, I think it works best with the sponge. That's pretty. Damn, that's really pretty. But this dries down so fast. Wow. Damn, that is beautiful though. And it's not like this. I don't know if you could tell. That looks so damn look at that. That looks so glowy. I'm like, I don't know, but does not look like that on the face. I mean, you could see a little bit of shimmer, but not like, girl, we're not having that. That's beautiful. Okay. I was a little worried. I'm not going to lie. I was a little worried. So we got that. I'm going to go on this side over here, and we're going to go in with the Rosé You Slay on this side. Okay, so I think for me personally, you have to go in super, super fast, and I think like a dampened sponge is probably your best bet. Wow, that was scary. See, this popped up quickly. Oof. That's what rosé looks like right there. I'm going to go super fast. Why? You're making me nervous. I didn't even go on the side. I used the butt of it anyway. Okay, these are freaking pretty. This is very, I'm going to go on the tip of my nose with the rosé. Okay, they're both very, very pretty. I mean, you can obviously tell that this is more rosy and that's more peachy. They dry down so fast. Let me just see if I could put a little bit more on this side because I feel like I did a lot. Like right here. I don't know about that. It's a little patchy because you have to work so damn fast. They're pretty, but they're very, very tricky. Oh wow, I am so curious of other people's experience. It's a little tacky, but it doesn't feel like, you know, like sometimes when something is tacky, like things will stick to it, or it feels like if you touch it, you'll lift it. It doesn't feel like that, but it does feel a little tacky. Damn, it is pretty though. Let's go with the highlighters. So this is in Rose Quartz, and then this one is in Champagne. Since we did the rose on this side, let's stick with the rose on that side, the highlighter. I'm really like a champagne-y kind of girl. Did I even, where's my wipe? No, I left it because look at my hand. So this highlighter is in rose quartz. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, that is so nice. Now I'm going to go with the side of it. And I'm going to go right over here. No, we said rose quartz is on this side, right? Trickety trick trick. I'm not really a fan of liquid highlighters. I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to do it with my brush over here. Yeah, that works better. That's pretty. The highlighter is very pretty. Okay, and then let's go on the other side with the champagne. So this is the champagne. That's the champagne. I use the same brush. And that's pretty. I like the highlighters, and I think I like the way this brush in particular, this is the Refer 17. Ooh, that is beautiful. That is nice. Let me just go back in with the sponge just to seal the deal all over. All right, I'm gonna be bold, and I'm gonna take champagne and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. That is beautiful. But I will tell you, girl, I feel like I'm holding my breath. You have to go so fast. That's beautiful. That is gorge. Oh hell, you know how I feel about this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, that is beautiful. I will tell you, this is all dried down like so quickly. Like I just put this on right here. This is the highlighter that I just used from the inner corner, completely dry. So, I will tell you this. I don't know, honestly, if I'm a fan of the formula. I have to tell you the truth. It is so beautiful. I mean, beautiful. I will not deny you that. It is very, very beautiful. But damn, like it dries instantly. Do not do this, because for me it left, like you could still see this dot. Can you see that? It looks a little bit patchy. But I do love it with the sponge. The contour is beautiful. Not as beautiful as the Milani, I'm not going to lie. The highlighters, I think, are the highlight. I think the highlighters are the highlight of this collection. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to have to play around with it. But what do you guys think? I think it's so pretty. Wow. Wow, look at that highlighter in the inner corner. Isn't it beautiful? That is beautiful. All right, what do you guys think? I mean, these past few videos have been so short because they've been so specific to products and brands. But what do you guys think? I think it is so beautiful. Leave me comments below. Did you guys pick them up? If you did, which ones do you like? I got to tell you, the blushes are tricky. The blushes are tricky. And I'm not really sure I like the formula of this whole collection. I'm not going to lie. It's just too fast. And if you're a novice, you're a beginner, or you haven't tried any kind of liquid products or cream products, this may be like a disappointment. I'm not going to lie, because it's so fast. Chances are you're going to screw it up. You know what I mean? It's like you think you're doing the right thing and you're doing the dots. Oh, well, so-and-so, and she did it this way, but how come? So I feel like this could be like a fail for beginners. I hate to say that, but this formula dries down super, super quick. But damn, it looks good. So this is it. This is my review for the Elf Halo Glow Beauty Wands. Contour, blush, and highlighters. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments below. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.